Oh man, I don't know how to have this conversation with you guys. This is going to be a tough one for sure today. Guys, I need to talk to you about grass. I'm not a financial advisor. I know some of you guys have been spending a lot of your money on it, and you just felt like you were burning it up. But now, that's right. Just like when your mom told you when you were a kid you couldn't grow up and play video games for a living, just like she was wrong. Is spending your money on grass a bad investment? Well, according to your mom, it was. And maybe your dad, but I could tell by his mustache, he's hit a couple, The thing is, they say grass is pretty good if you come over here to the altcoin grass. So we're going to take a look at altcoin grass today. This is not sponsored by Grass or hightimes.com. Is that still a thing? I don't even know.
I don't know. I'm going to actually check. That's funny.
Yeah. Okay. Grass. Let's check it out. So now this is one that popped up here pretty recently. It's coming in at number 161. Of course, the grass is on Solana. It makes perfect sense. $608 million market cap. Yes, it is on Solana. You guys can see. Now, for you guys that are not in California or Nevada or whatever other states you can be in, if you need a place to get grass, you can come here to this website, getgrass.io, and you guys can get yourself. Don't tell anybody in Oregon that joke. I don't know. They may be able to get it there too, because they'll sure enough visit the website. I don't want to bring the servers down. Earn a stake in AI, get rewarded for your unused internet. Okay, so what they're trying to do is they're trying to build the first open internet scale web crawl. Today, the network is powered by over 3 million users who are running nodes to scrape petabytes of data for AI models. Only 2 companies in the world are capable of crawling the entire web. And this capability has been the backbone of their multi-trillion-dollar business. Grass aims to replace that company by creating the first ever user-owned knowledge graph of the entire internet. And these graphs and these subgraphs that's what the project, the graph, does in the world of blockchain. They're going to become more and more important. Here's the thing, okay? It used to be where there was a certain way that we wanted to make documents, right? We wanted to make documents, contracts and things like that, to where someone could look at it and they could sign it and it made sense to them. But we use a lot of kind of legal types of language. Well, the thing is legal language is, some of the dumber language, in my opinion, the way that it is. No offense to any legal beagles out there. They're dogs. I don't care. But the point is, outside of math and numbers, coding is the simplest way to communicate, right? And it's like the legal stuff is so verbose sometimes. It's so overkill, using different languages, going into the Latin and all this. It is just too much. And I feel like that what I'm trying to say is this, is I moved to more AI focus, and you guys are going to learn that. You guys are going to see the effects of it before I'm really bringing you guys in with me, outside of people who are in the boot camp. The thing is that humans need to now reconsider the way that we create documents, the way that documents are structured. Because now that we're moving to an all digital world, documents need to be prioritized for AI to be able to read over humans. Because you guys just don't understand what's going on right now. You don't see it yet, I promise, but it's coming. Like I told you about BRICS over a year and a half ago. Here we are. Okay. Nobody's talking about it back then. This that I'm talking about here, changing the way that we create documents. If you don't have documents being able to get fed to an AI to where it understands it easily, you don't have documents. You don't have documents. I'm sorry. That's what the future is going to look like. So moving away from like hard cash and paper money to digital money, money was always the first application of this. This is what Andreas Antonopoulos told us back in 2011. He said, money is the first application. In the magic internet money, is he the one that wrote that? No. Wait, what? He used to be so famous in crypto. He's not anymore. Mastering Bitcoin and Mastering Ethereum. He did those. And there's another one he did as well. Maybe it was called Magic Internet Money, actually. Now I'm really thinking about it. Andres Antonopoulos always said in all of these speeches he gave, money was the first application of this, right? Digital money is the first application of truly digital. Yes, Bitcoin and blockchain are not AI, but it's kind of almost as close as you can get without being AI in a sense. You know, you're not ever seeing the people who are sending the transactions. Everything's done automated. It's done based on parameters. And so, in my opinion, when it comes to Grass and all of these projects out here that are kind of getting involved in the AI space, you guys just don't have any idea how big this is, how big all of this is, and this is going to be. You're not going to be able to access information or documents or anything if you don't get it on your AI. So, or it's not compatible. So here we go. We've got this here. They're giving up Grass. They're allowing people to earn a stake in AI by by allowing the use of their unused internet. I feel like this is really big. Oh no, this is the way that it goes. Oh, this is kind of cool. Slides over. What is Grass and how does it work? God, those hippies, man, they can't remember anything. Just continue to watch the trends, AI, data querying, and depend on Solana. So this is one reason why this is really interesting. It is on Solana. We like Solana a lot. We think it's great. Who knows? Maybe I'll go build some AI stuff on there here pretty soon. Let's check out Grass, guys. There's no refunds on Grass. Just remember. Are you looking for a reliable crypto exchange with low fees and high security? The search can be overwhelming with so many options out there. Join Phemex using my affiliate link right now. Experience top-notch trading features, low fees, and strong security. Click the link in the description to get started today. All right. So this thing just launched, as you guys can see, back here in November. It is a newer project. It is on Solana. And this is the daily chart. There's not a ton of back information, so we'll actually look at the 4-hour instead. They just on the 4-hour got a large, or not a large, but they got a green dot here, as you can see. I mean, you can kind of look at the momentum wave down here for Market Cipher in a sense, and say, well, this thing is looking like a little bullish divergence down here. And then the RSI, man, this thing really just peaked up. Is all we were talking about Grass. We were talking about Grass and all the hippies. Somebody said, pass the Grass, and they ended up on this here. So